Welcome back to Vlog 6. I'm here at Oshkosh, Wisconsin. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but that's because I've been busy, I've been traveling. I was across the world, okay, so lay off. In the meantime, I'm getting some cinematic, sexy footage just for you guys. If I could, legally, I think I could, it's America. If I could marry a plane, I would. So with that said, let's soar into the video. Get it? These planes soar into the video, because this is a video. Video, soar. Gotcha. Okay. It's so small. I can do that. Who does that? Who can even fly like that? All my planes are gone. Hey, push me to the edge. What? Oh my gosh, where am I? I'm camping with my cousins. I got my homie Kenton and I got my homie Ethan. He's actually writing some stuff down on a piece of paper, which is gonna be a part of a game that I created in my head. I don't know if it's out there yet. I'm gonna call the game Blurt. I'll explain in a second when Ethan finishes up what he's writing.
It wins.
Welcome back to another segment that I'm gonna call Blurt. It's a game where there's 15 words and the judge is gonna say one of those words and we're gonna race to see who can say something that
Can you think of the word? You got it?
No, that corresponds. If Ethan, the judge, says round, me and Kenton are gonna race towards something that is round. So we're gonna say like my butt or like or like a bouncy ball.
What the moon?
The moon?
Those are all round.
My moon is round. We're gonna race to see who can get the highest points at the end of the game. Here we go. Ethan, you can start whenever you're ready.
Color.
Blue. 1 point for your boy.
Iconic.
Your mom.
George Clooney.
The judge. Who wins?
Quinn.
Your mom. Round 3.
Round three.
Grass.
Green.
Gross.
Oh, boogers.
Your
You just said your mom.
3, 2, 1. Food.
chicken.
Mac and cheese.
Flooring.
Tile.
Wood.
Correct.
Don't say get wrecked. That's so. Ugh.
Shoe.
High
laces.
heels.
I finished first.
What'd you say?
Laces.
Laces? That's not a shoe.
It has to
Brand.
relate, but it has to relate to
Like
the
a
word. And it
brand.
You
laces.
said shoes.
Just mean like type of shoe.
No, yeah, laces works because
You
laces.
get a point. Stop arguing with the judge. I'm the judge. I'm right. Entertainment.
Movies.
Nintendo.
I said movies. You gotta be faster than that.
Hold on. Completely can't. Baseball.
Soccer.
It was a tie.
No, I said baseball first. You guys
both-
know it. Everyone
You
knows
both
it.
get a point.
Nope.
That's all.
What are the points?
You got 9 and Ken got 6.
Because you're a cheater.
Good game.
That was not a good game.
Good
Good game.
No, I'm
Fist
not.
pump me.
All right, fine.
Come here.
No,
Come here.
no. I'm going inside.
Thank you for letting me win.
You're welcome.
Oh, I got for last
Good
lap.
game.
The Illuminati.
Don't hurt me, man. We're gonna actually hit the sack, separate sacks. Missed me with that. And then tomorrow we're gonna wake up pretty early. We'll see what happens. Just roll with the flow. We'll go with it. Play it by ear. Get some content. Have some fun. Do some stupid stuff. It's gonna be fun time camping with the squad.
Please
See ya.
don't ever say that again.
Good morning. I hope you got the vibe that I just woke up, because that was the plan. But today, we are gonna go fishing. MTV Cribs, ready? I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. That's my bed right there. We got snacks right here. We got the Oreos. We got the Tostito chips. We got Rice Krispie treats in a container. Pistachios, get your $1 billion back. Oh no. There, I cleaned it up. Don't even worry about it. Here's the fridge. We got the air conditioner. Thank you for that. Here's the bathroom. I'm not gonna show you that. Here's the other bed. Here's this bed. Here's the window. And here's Ethan. So Ethan has this new toy that's just so entertaining to him. For the rest of the day, we're just gonna be hanging out. I will catch you guys at the lake. No cans, bottles, coolers, pets, or bicycles beyond this point.
As we're here in Indianapolis.
We're in Indiana.
Hey guys, we're at the beach.
Yep,
This is day 2 of the vlog.
day 2. Yep.
We're gonna have some fun.
Roll the B-roll.
Roll the B-roll.
There you go. Perfect. So I'm filming B-roll, and I just happened to notice that Ethan has a can past the sign that says no cans.
Wait, what? You told me to bring this over here.
For the clip.
Oh wow.
Now we are located at the lake. I'm gonna call it the ocean because it sounds more tropical. I'm with my homie yet again. It's a new day. He has not caught a fish yet. I have caught 4.
You haven't caught anything. I caught 4.
I will catch you later. Get it? Because we're fishing. Catch you later.
That was fun. Go dino.
That awkward moment when you catch a turtle and you're hoping for a fish.
I'm not. No.
So we're just gonna release him gently and safely. Goodbye, turtle.
Goodbye, turtle.
That is a wrap for today's video. If you guys liked it, go down, like the video. No scam, no strings attached, just like it. If you guys want to see more of the game Blurt, let me know down in the comment section below, and I will get that to you guys. Share it to the world. See you when I see ya. Peace.